Want to learn how to use these and turn it into this and get one of these? Hey, Corey here with the ADB SafeGate Training Academy. We have some great training to help build your skills toolbox. One of these unique skills is how to make one of the most critical connections on your airfield, the series circuit primary connector. Exciting, right? You can use your own splicing tools like these, or get a 5 kV splice and termination kit. This will have everything you need. One of our experienced training captains, welcome Captain, will lead this virtual instructor-led training class from our academy in Ohio. So go to the Training Academy website, create your learning account, and register.
Attention passengers in the gate area. We will now begin the boarding process for the ADB SafeGate Training Academy flight.
Sounds like our journey of learning flight is departing soon, so reserve your seat. You can never have enough skills, right, Captain?
Prepare the cabin for departure.
You heard it. We're ready for takeoff. See you on board.